Welcome to the world of Caisse. If you're thinking about opening an account with them, it's important to understand what you're getting into. The bank offers a variety of services like savings accounts, credit options, and investment products. However, not everything is as straightforward as it seems. Their terms of service include several fees that may catch you off guard, including monthly account maintenance charges, ATM withdrawal fees, and penalties for overdrafts. Be sure to read the fine print. While Caisse has a wide range of banking options for individuals and businesses, it's not without its drawbacks. Customer service has mixed reviews, with some users praising its accessibility and others complaining about delays in responses. Moreover, their mobile app is functional but could use some improvements. In terms of cost, monthly fees for basic accounts start at around €10, but can go up depending on the services you choose. Loan rates vary based on your financial profile, but they tend to be competitive for long-term mortgages. Before signing up, make sure to fully understand their charges and the benefits they offer to avoid any surprises down the line. Subscribe for more in-depth banking insights. Like and share this video to help others.